going to get creative for the month of February. It is Black History Month. So yay! What we're going to be doing for the craft this month is we're going to be painting peg dolls, as you can see what I have in my hand. And we're going to be painting iconic African American icons through the years. I have chosen, as you can see before you, Minnie Riperton, because she's one of my favorite singers. But you can choose whoever you want to do, whoever you search up. I will also provide a few options within the kits that you guys can choose from if you just want to do something right out of the box, or a bag as it were. So supplies, everyone will be getting one peg doll, a detail brush, and a wide brush. Of course, the paper with all of the options that you have available to you if you don't want to go searching for your own, and some primary color paints that you can mix and choose to make the colors you need. Alright, so I've got my space set up here. Under the peg dolls, I have a paper plate so I don't make any big mess. If I do wind up making a big mess on the surface, I've got paper towels off to the side. I've got my cup of water ready, and I've got the palette and the colors already prepped on here. So as you can see, this will be what will be available in your kit is the primary colors. I've gone and pre-mixed the colors that I'm going to need for this. I've got the blue, the light blue, which is just blue and white, and then I've got the brown. And if you're curious on how to make brown, it's simply blue, yellow, and red mixed together. You're going to use less of the blue and more of the yellow and red to get that specific tone that I have in the palette right there. And beyond that, if you need anything further for whichever you have chosen from the list of options or your own, there are color theory, color mixing charts available through Google. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get started. I am using the larger brush to cover more area while I do the larger sections, and then I will go in afterwards with the detail brush to do smaller details. The paint will be absorbed more into the wooden surface, so I would say do multiple layers, but let them dry in between so you can make sure you're not smearing anything on accident or something of that nature. doll here alongside the reference photo. As you can see, the paint did dry. One, it dried quickly, just as I said. It did dry a little patchy, so if you wanted to make that more smooth finish, feel free to be able to do so on your own. And also, it did dry darker on the layers than what I mixed in my palette, so that's something also to keep in mind as you mix your colors for your peg doll. I did keep my design a little simple, but you can go as intricate as you would like, all up to you. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you on our future projects.